Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will show you another ELGi air compressor. So this is PG 185-100 185 CFM and 100 PSI compressor. So this compressor is actually, you can see here, with a raised and very easy to tow. This is tow bar, and here is two outlet 3x4, and this is the front. In front of there is a right side emergency, then notice, controller notification, then nameplate, and there in front of here you can see here this is control panel. So here right side this is a controller, then here you can see fuel gauge, then isolator, then pressure gauge, and then compressor temperature, and inside compressor inside this is indication light. So this side you can see here, this one also same, and this side is here is this one is outside exhaust radiator side, that is back side, and another is front side. So now I can open this one, I'll show you inside. So this is with the hydraulic cylinders, compressor hydraulic cylinder. So internal you can see here, in this side engine, this side air end. First I will introduce you air end. Air end is ELGi made air end, which comes with the intake valve. This is the unique feature of diesel portable compressor. Then separate air filter from compressor side, and then you can see another side, second side. So here is compressor sump tank, oil capacity is 10 liter, and here is air oil separator. Then here is single oil filter, safety valve, and then outlet lines. So here is oil filling, and this is here this is left side is oil cooler, and right side is radiator, engine radiator. So here how you can recognize which one is radiator and which one is cooler. So here you can see here radiator, this line is going engine to radiator, and here you can see these two lines, these oil lines coming from air end. So now I will show you the engine. First start with the beautiful plastic ridge made tank, and then here is this is the filling, diesel filling cap, and this one is here, this is level sensor. So inside there is a fuel or diesel level sensor. So two lines, one is section, one is discharge, and then here you can see here one filter, fuel filter, and then fuel injection pump, and then injectors. So and here you can see here this downside, this is lube oil filter. So here you can see here inside this is the lube filter, this one there is lube filter. So how you can see when engine lock, so you can see here, and this one you can see here, this one is this one mesh type filter. So just see here inside you can see there is a level sensor and hose. You can see here, once I will push this one, press this one, fuel pump, you can see here diesel is flowing. Once is free flowing, then it's mean air has been gone, so compressor engine is ready to start. So and then here this is a Kubota fan, and this is a fan guard, and here is charging alternator 12 volt, and it comes with the fuse. So if anything happen, fuse blow down, and then 12 volt battery and starter motor. And this is the basic introduction of Kubota engine with 185 model air end. So now I will tell you the electrical systems. First 12 volt battery, 12 volt alternator, this one is Denso starter motor, then here is the fuse, and see here back side of the batteries there is a lube oil pressure sensor. So here is top of the, you can see here, I'll show you the back side. Top cover you can see here, here is the, you can see here, this is the temperature switch, engine temperatures, water temperature switch. So here is this one, you can see here this cable, inside this one here there is a mechanical thermostatic switch. So electrical systems, I'll show you more. Intake valve with this is pressure regulator, and There is a control system. I'll show you the electrical system. See, it's a control panel. Just turn on the breaker, just wait to turn on the controller, and then just press this one and compressor will start. See, so little pressure are inside. Start pressure. How to stop? Just press this one. This is stopping position. Emergency also. See, I pressed emergency. So on, then release it. This is the total electrical system. Here inside the electrical panel, and it comes with two separate air filter, engine side air filter, compressor side air filter. So here this is the complete tutorial video of PG 185 100 model ELGi air compressor. Yeah, you can see one look only.